6 habits that will kill your productivity. Engaging and maintaining productivity is challenging for most people, especially when the worst distractions are just a mouse click away. Many bad habits can quickly kill your productivity that you may not even be aware that you have. Fortunately, with a little awareness and quick action, you can get your productivity back on track. Here are 6 habits that will quickly kill your productivity. Multitasking. Of all the bad habits that you can have, multitasking is one of the worst and also one of the most common. Multitasking tricks you into producing subpar, incomplete work on a daily basis. When you multitask, you aren't doing multiple tasks at the same time, but instead, you are giving partial focus to a single task while providing the majority of your attention to the actual act of switching functions. Not having a work routine. If you get into the habit of working whenever you feel like it, you're setting yourself up for failure. Having a work routine is essential for getting your mind into productive gear. Without a method, you are always going into work mode cold, which can make getting into the zone that much harder. Being a perfectionist. Another common productivity kill is perfectionism. Having unrealistic work standards and being thrown off balance when things don't go as you like can quickly ruin your productivity. When you set unrealistic work standards, you never complete tasks, which causes you to fall behind. When things don't go as expected, it's easy to mentally quit, leading you to put in less effort to complete tasks. Having a giant to-do list. When you sit down to plan your day, it can be easy to get overzealous and fill up your to-do list with more than a dozen tasks. Unfortunately, you most likely won't be able to complete all of them and will become overwhelmed at all the functions you weren't able to finish. Saying yes all the time. You may believe that saying yes to every little thing people ask you to do is a good thing, but you're doing yourself a great disservice. When you say yes to everything, you limit the amount of time you have to spend on completing your tasks. Not automating recurring tasks. Many of the tasks that you complete daily are repeat tasks, which are tasks that we do on a regular basis. Most of these tasks can be automated so that it can be done automatically and more quickly. Automating recurring tasks will not only save you time, but your mental resources as well. These are just a few of the many bad habits that can quickly kill your productivity. When you become aware of these habits, you can easily overcome them and get your productivity back on track.